What if I told you that school was never designed to make you free, wealthy, or independent, but to make you obedient? From the moment we enter a classroom, we are trained to sit still, follow instructions, ask for permission, and wait for the bell to tell us when to move. We grow up believing that good grades lead to a good university, which leads to a good job, which leads to a stable life, and we rarely question this formula. But why does every student learn the same subjects, in the same way, at the same speed, when humans are clearly different? The modern education system expanded during the Industrial Revolution, when factories needed workers who could arrive on time, follow orders, and repeat tasks efficiently without questioning authority. If you look closely, school mirrors that structure. Bells control your schedule. Students sit in rows like assembly lines, and memorization is rewarded more than creativity. From childhood, we are told to study hard so you can get a good job, not so you can build something, create value, or think independently. Financial literacy, entrepreneurship, negotiation, and real-world money systems are rarely taught, yet we are fully prepared to trade our time for money for the next 40 years. Over time, curiosity gets replaced with compliance, creativity gets replaced with grades, and fear of failure replaces risk-taking. This doesn't mean school is evil. Education itself is powerful, but the system is incomplete. It teaches you how to survive inside existing structures, not how to design your own. The real trap is not education. It's never questioning what you're being prepared for. Real growth begins when you learn beyond the syllabus, build skills outside exams, understand how money truly works, and develop the courage to think independently. So the real question isn't whether school is good or bad. The real question is this: are you being educated or are you being trained?